Hey, I'm out to throw a wild card at you. You know I'm gonna have to throw a wild card. Cause lately I've been thinking about you. Yeah, stuck on you like glue. Cancel them.
Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you a new theme that I've been playing around with, and today it is a MKBHD inspired theme. So as you can see right here, let me just see if I can make it a little bit more better and focused. There we go. So yeah, it's just really cool theme inspired by, well, none other than MKBHD. So today guys, I want to share with you how you could get this theme inspired MKBHD theme on your iOS 14 setup. So let's get started. So first off, of course, is you'll need, of course, iOS 14 to have this. So if you haven't updated iOS 14, then I don't know what you're waiting for, but go download it right now. So next, you're gonna need, of course, this icon pack by this awesome developer or designer called Rav. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. So he has done other great icon packs as well that have been really successful since iOS 14 has launched. And this one, of course, he made two versions of this one, where it's the red and white, and then there's the black and white one as well. So I went with the red and white just because it has that more MKBHD feel that I think it has. So yeah, it's just really nice. These icons designs, really nicely designed, super simple, of course, and it's just really easy to use. And yeah, they just look really great as well. So next, of course, we have the wallpaper. So the wallpaper actually comes with the icon pack as well. So there's two versions of this icon pack, and there's two versions of the wallpaper as well. So of course, I went with this white background with the dots that you kind of see in the introduction videos of every MKBHD video. So yeah, it's just really nice, and it looks really, I just like the simplicity, of course. And so yeah. And of course, we have color widgets. So color widgets is one of my favorite widgets, of course, for iOS 14. And this one, of course, it will show you the weather, and of course it will show you the battery life if you wanted to, depending on which widget from color widgets you install on your home screen. But yeah, right now I have the one where it shows me the weather and the date. Now, of course, the only thing I wish they did, the developer did do, was add Celsius instead of Fahrenheit only. And if he did add Celsius, I don't know how to change it to Celsius. But yeah, for now, that's the only big thing I really want. Then, of course, we have another widget in the bottom left corner called widget size. So I have, of course, just a nice picture of MKBHD's logo for this inspired theme for MKBHD. And so yeah, just really nice, simple. Of course, you guys already know the apps I already use. Of course, nothing has really changed except for the theme. So yeah, it's just the same apps there that we have here on the main home screen. And so yeah, it's just a really nice icon setup that I really like right now. And if you're a fan of MKBHD and his style and everything, then I highly recommend you guys go check out this icon pack by Rav, because it is an amazing icon pack. I will link the icon pack in the description below, so you guys can go check it out at a later time. So that's it for now for this quick little video of my weekly series of new setups for new icons that I think really stand out right now and are really pleasing to look at. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do comment on the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, because that does help if you subscribe. So please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Peace.